Welcome back to our 21-day program on overcoming anxiety. Today is day 8 and we're delving into the power of self-talk. I'm Adam, founder of Limitless Education, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode focused on harnessing the strength of positive self-talk to overcome anxiety. Yesterday we looked at relaxation techniques. How did you get on? Have you managed to complete any today? When anxiety creeps in, our thoughts can become overwhelmed with negativity, self-doubt and fear. But what if we could reframe them thoughts and replace them with positive and empowering messages? That's where the practice of positive self-talk comes in. Today, I invite you to explore the transformative power of positive self-talk and how it can help you navigate through moments of anxiety. By intentionally shifting your internal dialogue, you can cultivate a more supportive, empowering mindset. The activity for today is simple yet impactful. Whenever you notice anxious thoughts arising, consciously interrupt them and replace them with positive and reassuring statements. For example, if you're feeling anxious before a presentation, instead of thinking, "I'm going to mess up," replace it with, "I am well prepared and I can handle this." Positive self-talk serves as a powerful tool to reframe our perception of challenging situations and bolster our self-belief. By replacing negative thoughts with positive ones, we can instill confidence, resilience and a sense of calm. Start by becoming aware of your thoughts and the impact they have on your emotions. Notice any negative or self-defeating patterns that arise during anxious moments. Acknowledge them without judgment and then consciously redirect your thoughts towards positive affirmations. Create a list of positive statements that resonate with you. These can be empowering phrases, affirmations, or reminders of your strengths and capabilities. Write them down or keep them in a note on your phone for easy access when you need them. Here are some examples to get you started. I am capable of overcoming any challenges that come my way. I am strong, resilient, and capable of handling whatever comes my way. I have the power to choose my thoughts and focus on the positive. I am worthy of love, happiness and success. I believe in myself and my abilities. Practice using positive self-talk consistently, not just when anxiety strikes, but throughout your day. Whenever you catch yourself slipping into negative thoughts or self-doubt, pause, take a deep breath and consciously replace those thoughts with uplifting and encouraging statements. Remember, the journey of overcoming anxiety is not about eliminating anxious thoughts altogether, but rather transforming our relationship with them. Positive self-talk is a valuable tool that can empower us to navigate through anxiety with greater confidence, resilience and self-compassion. As we conclude today's episode on self-talk, I encourage you to continue practicing positive self-talk as an essential part of your anxiety management toolkit. Harness the power of your words and cultivate a mindset that supports your well-being and growth. Join us tomorrow for another empowering episode as we explore the power of physical activity to help you on your path to overcoming anxiety. Remember, you have the strength within you to conquer anxiety, and together we will thrive. Thanks for listening. If you found value in today's episode, please like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our empowering content. Share this podcast with fellow students, friends or family members who may benefit from incorporating positive self-talk into their lives.